Welcome back to my channel, everybody. It is naturallykenken and I'm back with another video. As you can see here, we're working with the brand Alibonnie, and they sent me over this beautiful closure unit. It's a kinky straight. All the information for this unit will be in my description box down below. I'm very excited to try this unit out because you guys know that I promote a lot of beginner friendly wigs. You gotta love a good closure wig. So I'm just trying it on my head here. I tightened the band a little bit too tight, so I'm gonna take it off and take the whole thing off actually, because it was a little too tight for me. And I'm measuring it on my head and seeing what I need to do. Then I'm going ahead and applying some makeup to a bald cap. Honestly, if you don't want to wear a bald cap for this unit, you don't have to. I just did just for extra because I'm extra. But yeah, I'm putting it on the lace too because this is a transparent lace, so it is going to be a little bit more white than your traditional HD lace. I'm trying it on and I'm liking how it's looking already. The hairline is a little bit on the thicker side, but I'm going to show you guys what I did to fix that later on in the video. But I'm going in and I'm taking some Ebin, the black can. This is the best can of Ebin spray. Hands down, I love it. And I'm doing 3 layers. And just so y'all know, I took this hair right out the pack and put it on my head. I did not pluck the knots. I did not bleach the lace. I did not do anything to this wig. Straight out the pack onto my head. So far, it was doing what it had to do, but the hairstylist in me was saying, no, you're gonna have to take it off and customize it a little bit more, but you guys will see that further towards the end of the video. But yes, guys, I'm putting on 3 layers of the Ebin hairspray. You want to spray a little bit, wait for the glue to get tacky, blow dry in between. I use cool to medium warm air to make sure it gets tacky so the hair will stick, and it's equivalent to using a really good hair glue.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing.
Do you guys know I gotta hit it with cool air so that it can last longer, and then I'm gonna tie it down with my headband.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe you're brave, boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take the love that we made.
And what I am doing here basically is spraying Ebin on my finger and just putting it on my finger so I can lay my lace down to get rid of that white cast that's around my hairline.
In my brain, I want you. I've been hanging by myself.
And before you put your band on, make sure the hairline is about 80% of the way dry, because you don't want to lift your headband up and then it's more white cast comes on your hair. I see that a lot with installs. So I decided to tame this hair a little bit more by hot combing it. I do this for all my units, but this wig was super duper huge and I wanted to make sure it was tamed a little bit. So I just went in with my hot comb and sectioned it and continued to hot comb it down so it could be a little bit flatter to my head. And look at the difference a hot comb makes. Like, Period. You cannot argue with that. So after I took my band off, I wasn't really pleased with how my hair was looking at this point. I'm like, okay, now I'm going to really have to take this hair to the shop to customize it, bleach the knots, pluck it a lot more than it is because it's really, really thick. I could have flat ironed it, but honestly, I don't think that was going to solve the problem all the way. I wanted to wear it in its natural texture, but yeah. So as you can see here, I didn't record the process of me plucking and bleaching the knots here, only because I have several videos on my channel on how I bleach and pluck knots. That's how much hair came out on just one side. As you can see, I can see the difference in the hairline, but if you guys can't, I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, it took me almost an hour to pluck just one side. It was so thick, but it's looking a lot better now. So at this point, I did allow that hair to sit in the hooded dryer at my shop to dry as fast as possible. Then I slept with it on overnight so I could put a headscarf on to kind of flatten it out at the top of my head. I just felt like it was really, really bulky. After I took my scarf off, it was laid. As you can see, I'm laying it more with a hot comb, but y'all, it's starting to look a lot more natural now. It's giving fresh blowouts. I'm loving it. Once again, I would love to thank Alibonnie for sending me this gorgeous unit. If you guys have not done so already, comment, like, and subscribe. Your girl is almost at 1K followers or subscribers. Thank you to all who've been supporting me thus far, and tune into my next video. God bless.
Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get